Alright, welcome back to GFX for Dummies. In this video, I'll be going over how to add accessories such as guns, tools, and other stuff that you can use in your GFX scenes. Now, if you like this series, don't forget to like and subscribe so more people can see it. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So, how to add a model is pretty simple. Now, if you have a Blender kit, you can just search it up like this and then add the model into your scene. But for this video, I'm not going to be doing that because I haven't shown you guys how to add Blender kit to your Blender. So instead, I'm actually going to be over how to do it the old-fashioned way, which is to add it through a website like Sketchfab or my tongue got tied, CG Trader. And to do that, it's pretty simple. So let's go to the not CG Trader, let's go to Sketchfab website, and all you have to do is just type in gun. Let's actually go with torch. I was looking up for a gun for another video. Now you want to make sure that you have downloadable on. That makes it so you can actually find models that you can download. Now say if I want this Minecraft torch, all I have to do is click on it and I have to go down. Now you want to make sure it has a decent amount of downloads. There is a chance there might be a virus on one of these models. Just make sure it has a lot of downloads. I don't mean to scare you on that, but you want to go to download 3D model. Now you want to go down to GLB. Now there's going to be multiple texture sizes. You want to go for the highest one. If your computer doesn't handle that well with Blender, I would go with the lower one. But you want to download the highest one, and once it's done downloading, all you want to do is go back into Blender, go to File, and then you want to go to Import. Now we're not going to be doing a Wavefront OBJ this time. We're actually going to be doing a GLTF. You want to click it, and you want to go to your downloads where you downloaded it, and then you want to grab it right here and import it. And there it is. And then once you import it, all you have to do next is just import it with your model. And we just line it up like that. Now, an easy way to line it up is all you have to do is hit one of these axes. And as you can see, I can see a lot better. And I can line it up much more easier without having to, do trial and error for it. There you go. Now to get out of that viewport, all you have to do is just move around your mouse, and you do that with middle mouse button to navigate. Now when you click on it, as you can see, there it is. But as you can see, this, say if I add this torsion and it doesn't have a light source, all you have to do is pretty simple. If you want to go into world, so we can see this just a little bit better, turn that down to dark. And as you can see, it already has its own light source, but it's not strong enough, definitely not what you kind of go for. What you want to do is you want to just add a light source, just like we did in the last video. I said point lighting is very good for like a light bulb. I didn't mention the torch because torches aren't that very common. But again, just hit your presets to line it up better. Now you want to match the color that it already is. So that is like an orange, white, and all that. So you just want to go to light source. Let's go to 100, and then let's change it to, I think that's pretty good yellow. And there we go. Now it's just like a Minecraft torch. And as you can see, the top lights up a little bit better, but the bottom doesn't. So to fix that, all you have to do is make multiple light sources around it. Or you can just put one in front of it so that whatever the viewer is seeing, they can see it better, but the back might not be. And that's one thing about GFXs is sometimes it's just, it's really just light source tricks and camera tricks. But if I want to add that backlight, all I have to do is just make another light source. And to make another light source, you don't have to go through the whole ad. You can just hit Shift D to make another light source just like that. As you see, my original light source is there, and the new one I just placed is right there. So there we go. That is how to add your tool/object into Blender and how to work with it. Feel free to like and subscribe. Once again, I am trying to grow this series a lot more so more new GFX artists can see it. Either way, hope you guys have a good day.